Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to show you how to do the soft glam eye makeup look along with applying lashes. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the Laura Mercier setting powder in Honey Translucent. Next I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and put it in my crease. Now I'm going to use the Magic Mini eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that first shade and I'm going to put it all over my lids, and then I'm going to use that brown eyeshadow that I put on my crease and put it on the end parts of my eyes. Next, I'm using the Duo Lash Glue in the Ioni Fluffy Crisscross Long Lashes. For lips, I'm using the Morphe Make It Big Plumping Lip Gloss in Big Sweet Tea and the NYX Lipliner in Club Hopper. And that is it for this look. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the soft glam eye makeup look that I did. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a glam upload and fun content. See you all in the next video, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.